Let's be honest, most smartphones today feel identical. Same design, same colors, same experience. But what if your phone actually felt personal? Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly different, the Motorola Signature phone. This isn't about chasing trends or flashy gimmicks. This is about customization, craftsmanship, and individuality. Motorola Signature is Motorola's premium, personalized smartphone experience. Instead of mass-producing the same phone for millions of people, Motorola gives you the option to make it yours. From custom materials and finishes to engraved details, this phone is built around one idea: your identity. Let's talk about design, because this is where the Signature phone really stands out. The materials feel premium right away, solid, refined, and well-balanced in the hand. This isn't a plastic, disposable phone. It feels intentional, thought out. You can choose finishes that fit your lifestyle, whether that's professional, minimalist, or bold. And the personalized engraving, that's the detail that takes it to another level. When you hold it, you immediately notice the craftsmanship. The buttons feel responsive. The weight is just right, not too heavy, not too light. This is the kind of phone that feels expensive without being flashy. The display is sharp, bright, and easy on the eyes, perfect for streaming, scrolling, video calls, and everyday use. Colors look natural, text is crisp, and overall it delivers a clean, comfortable viewing experience, exactly what you want from a premium phone. Performance-wise, the Motorola Signature phone handles everyday tasks effortlessly. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels smooth, no lag, no unnecessary delays. And one of the best parts, Motorola's clean Android experience. No heavy skins, no annoying bloatware, just simple, fast, and intuitive software that works the way Android is supposed to. The camera setup is built for real-life use. Photos come out sharp with natural colors, great dynamic range, and solid low-light performance. Whether you're taking photos for social media, video calls, or everyday memories, it delivers reliable results. It's not about over-processing, it's about consistency. For daily use, battery life is dependable. It easily gets you through a full day of calls, messaging, streaming, and browsing. And when it's time to recharge, you're back up and running quickly, perfect for busy schedules. In the US, people care about choice and individuality. We want tech that fits our lifestyle, not the other way around. The Motorola Signature phone is for people who want something different without sacrificing reliability. It's premium but practical, personal but professional. This phone is perfect if you're tired of carrying the same phone as everyone else, you value design and craftsmanship, you want a clean Android experience, you like subtle luxury over loud branding. This isn't a phone for everyone, and that's exactly the point. The Motorola Signature phone proves that smartphones don't have to be boring. They can be personal, they can be meaningful, and they can still be powerful and reliable. So now I want to hear from you. Would you customize your own phone? What kind of finish or engraving would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.